Good morning, guys. Cooking not by myself, but with a kindly guest, my teacher, Chef Macaulay.
Hold the cup.
So he's my teacher, and he'll be cooking with me today. We're gonna make what?
What are we cooking today? A signature dish, right? A winning dish.
Yeah.
What is it?
Corn risotto หรือ risotto ข้าวโพดครับ
So what should we do first? Casey?
So you do the onions and I'll do the leeks.
There we go. Right.
Which are my leeks?
There's a leek for you.
Thank you.
Onion for me.
Thank you.
Let's cook.
คือตอนนี้เราก็มา prepare ตัวลีกหรือหอมใหญ่ญี่ปุ่นปะไม่ใช่นะ What is it? What is it?
It's a leek. In
It's
English.
leek.
What is it in Thai?
I don't know.
I thought you were Thai.
No, I don't know. Thank
What's
you.
in the risotto today?
Corn.
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 Yeah, and what else?
And prawns.
Prawns. So I'll do the prawn.
Okay,
You
and
want
I'll
to get on with the
corn.
prawn?
Prawn
Good
and
to
corn.
go. Prawn and corn.
So when you carry a knife in the kitchen, so you hold it down like this, and because I saw somebody holding the knife upwards like this. This is like if someone bumps into you, it's more later.
We're just going to take the shell off the shrimp, and then it's what a process is called deveining. It's taking out the black intestinal tract here.
คือเชฟมาร์กกำลังเอาเปลือกของกุ้งลายเสือเนี่ยครับออกเอาตัวขี้มันออกครับหรือไส้ก็ได้เอาตัวดำๆออก
Yeah, not very tasty.
มัน
We
ไม่
don't
อร่อย
want to eat it.
ตอนนี้ผมก็กำลังจะเอาตัวข้าวโพดหั่นออกมาเราหั่นแค่ข้างนอกบางๆแล้วเวลาเราหั่นนี้เราแค่เอาข้างนอกออกแต่ข้างในมันยังมีน้ำข้าวโพดเหลือครับเลยเราก็จะไม่อยากทิ้งมันคือเชฟมาร์ก็จะเอา should we put the shells of the prawn
We're going to
in
make
here
the stock
or
now
in
for
here
the risotto.
ก็จะทำสต๊อกของริซอตโต้ครับรสชาติหลายอย่างมันจะอยู่ตรงหัวของกุ้งเราต้องการรสชาติอันนั้นให้ออกมาให้เยอะที่สุดเลยเราก็จะใส่ออลิฟออยล์หรือน้ำมันมะกอกเพื่อทำให้รสชาติออกมามากที่สุดครับ
Yeah, you're doing okay. You got a lot of the flavor in corn is in the center. So most of the flavor is around the center of the corn husk. So we keep the corn kernels, and you can see we call it corn milk.
ตอนนี้ได้กลิ่นกุ้งเผา
Today we're trying to extract the flavor out of everything. So we're trying to get the flavor out of the prawn, the flavor out of the corn. That's what we do.
You forgot to cut the onions and
No, I
just
didn't
rough
forget.
pieces.
I just have. Sorry, chef.
Man, you're slow.
I'm sorry, chef. I will do better next time.
Okay. I hope you do.
Just a splash, just to get some nice flavor. Oh, that's great.
Aroma.
Oh, that smells good.
I wish you have spelling sense. That's what I want to do. I want to be a chef and I want to be an inventor.
Chef and an inventor? What are you going to invent? Food?
No.
When you grow up,
A
what are you
smell
going to do?
invention. So you watch TV and you can smell what are they doing.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is part of the garnishes for the dish. So we've got some nice bacon. We've got some lovely local mushrooms that we're going to use to garnish our dish. And pretty soon now we're going to start to cook the risotto. So risotto rice is from Italy, from the area called Arborio. And this is the rice from Arborio, Italy.
ตัวข้าวโบโรเนี่ยมันดีสำหรับริซอตโต้เพราะว่าเกรนมัน เยอะเกรนก็คือมันไม่ยาวข้าวไม่ใหญ่มาก เอาอย่างนี้แล้วกัน
Let that cook down a little bit. We're going to get ready to strain off some of that stock.
เชฟมาร์กกำลังจะใส่สต๊อก
We add the stock to the rice and it will absorb it slowly. We don't want to put a lot of stock in there. It'll become like a soup. So the rice will absorb some of the stock step by step. The stock has to be the same temperature as the rice.
อันนี้กำลังจะทำเป็น crispy bacon ครับ เพื่อทำให้มันกรอบมันได้ texture หลายอย่างครับ ทุกอย่างอร่อยขึ้น ด้วยเบคอนครับ Be careful, bacon can explode. Bacon can dance. So,
Bacon can dance?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Dancing bacon?
Yeah. So,
Wow, that sounds good. Yeah, don't forget your bacon. You want to get it nice and crispy. The crispy bacon will be for the garnish of the dish. We're going to use the bacon fat to cook the prawns in. It'll give a lot more flavor, and it's salty and smoky. It'll make it really good. Now the risotto we're cooking down. Put the corn inside there.
Reindeer, where are we flying? There's our reindeer. ในนี้มีข้าวโพดครับ แล้วก็มีตัวสต๊อกที่เราทำมาครับ
How's our bacon doing? It's crisping up. Look, nicely.
เอาไปซิ we have a bowl หอมเย็บ โอ้ก่อนเอาคือตัวเบคอนเนี่ยครับมันมีน้ำมันเยอะมากเลยเราจะกรองให้น้ำมันออกมาแล้วเราจะใช้น้ำมันเนี่ยไปทอดกุ้งครับมันจะได้กลิ่นของเบคอนแล้วมันจะทำให้มันอร่อยขึ้นเยอะครับ
It's quite a complicated recipe to make a risotto, but I've been working with Casey on this risotto, and he has learned it quite quickly. So I think children can learn to do this. Yeah. Can you explain how you learn to do this risotto recipe, Casey?
Chef Mark is a very good teacher. He teaches its steps. So we cook, he demonstrates, I write every step down, and then I practice every single day.
Always taste. Always tasting. If you taste a lot, you look like me.
Now I'm already fat already. If you season prawns first, it's very bad because salt extracts all the flavor.
Salt extracts the moisture out of it, so that's why we season last minute. That's good. Yes. Get a nice sear on those prawns, Casey. Looking good.
เสื้อเชฟหลายอย่างจะมีแขนยาวเพราะว่าน้ำมันครับเดี๋ยวมันจะกระเด็นใส่ Sorry, coming through. Next step ก็คือเราจะใส่เห็ดเข้าไปครับ
We taste it, then we adjust the seasoning, huh?
Yep.
Gonna get those mushrooms in that pan. Here we go.
Sorry. Try it. The prawn. Try it. The prawn.
Yeah.
Creamy.
Wow. It's got a nice sear on the prawn. A nice sear, seasoning, the bacon fat comes all together. Nice crispy, salty on the outside. Very good. This we're going to fry now. These are our mushrooms just for the garnish. I'm going to saute those off. Our risotto's almost ready, so I'm going to add the corn. This is the corn we cooked in the stock. I'm going to add that to it at the last minute. It's almost ready.
I'll close it, okay?
It's almost ready. Yeah, turn it off. Get those mushrooms nicely cooked. I think those are good, huh? Almost ready for plating. We're almost ready for plating. The good flavour of the risotto, I wouldn't put much in, okay, is it should be nice and creamy, like this. And you look at the rice, it should be, in Italian it's called al dente, which means to the tooth. So it should be just, you could say underdone, but it should be crispy when we chew the rice. Yeah, perfect. Al dente, what do you think?
I'll try.
That's a big try. A big try, Casey. I think we're good to go.
I don't care, man.
I think we're good to go. I'm going to put the rice onto the plate and then Casey's going to decorate it.
Crispy bacon makes everything better.
Where's your mushroom? Meow. Put it on.
No, free!
Come on everybody, join in. Ready? Wow. I died and went to heaven. Check the cook on this one. I think you're right. I think you cooked them just right.
Okay.
Oh, delicious with the thyme leaf. Oh, well done, Casey. Good job. Bye. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back with the next dish soon.
Thank you.